Hey everybody, Drew here with Drew's Garage. And listen, we got a new addition to the family. We just traded in the wife's 2016 Lexus RX 350 for the 2019 Audi e-tron that I found from another dealer. This is the Prestige model, and listen, it is super nice. So we just dropped the car off this morning at the Audi dealership for its initial service and inspection. We are heading to go pick her up right now. So hey, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and let's go take a look at the vehicle that we just picked up. So here she is, beautiful 2019 Audi e-tron Prestige, 17,000 miles. Got its 20,000 mile service done. Definitely a scale up from the Lexus. The electric charge is we had it installed in the house. So we are getting a 220 put in at the house when we get back today. So let's get the keys, get her on the road, and take a look at how we're gonna keep this baby charged at home. Service on the Audi e-tron, not bad. Tire rotation, software update, check the fluids, did some other stuff. Obviously there's not a combustible engine, so you know there's no oil changes needed. You know, they do it once over on the vehicle. Refilled the fragrance dispenser that is built into this beautiful car. So I am happy with the price for the service. That's about what it should be, about every 10,000 miles. So let's take a look at her. This is the Prestige Edition. It is a 2019. Has the nice Alcantara trim, the sport seats, panel roof. So let's get on the road and head on home. You can actually hear the cold start. Nothing. Very, very silent, elegant car. Smooth. Acceleration is instantaneous. It is not as fast as a Tesla, but this is an SUV. I'm not trying to race my C8 Corvette. This thing has about a 0 to 60 time still under 6 seconds, which is phenomenal for this size of a vehicle. So for all those people that want to compare this to a Tesla, listen, this is not what I'm buying this vehicle for, but it still is going to be faster than a lot of vehicles that are out there. So let's get on the road, head on home, and take a look at this new 220 that we're going to install in the garage. So we are heading home. Loving the new e-tron, the bird's eye view that they've got here. You can adjust right here with the twisting the knob here. Bring your screen in and out. We can change the view, bring up the odometer and everything a little larger on the side. Our map views. And then we can scroll to the left or the right and go to different features. So here we've got the radio. We can pull up. Shows our range. Right now the car is set for cruise. It is steering itself, turning the corners very, very, very nicely. Very smooth, no jerking of the wheel. We've got the Apple CarPlay set up. Shortcuts on our menus down here above our air conditioning system. We hit the home screen here.
Hazard reported ahead.
Bring us back to the main menu. Loving the car. if you're looking at a SUV style vehicle and you're looking for something that's fully electric, there's only a few choices out there. Obviously the Tesla. Volvo is introducing all electric vehicles. They have the XC40, Jaguar has the I-Pace. You've got a lot of plug-in electric hybrids. You got Pulsar is hitting the market. So there's some competitors out there, but this I believe to be full size crossover, will fit more people, more comfortable, and it still looks like a regular vehicle on the road. It's not spaceshipy looking. It has that nice large Audi grille. So I'm really loving the vehicle. Let's get to the house and let's take a look at this 220 that we got installed. So I've replaced the Lexus RX 350 with the e-tron, and we are getting ready to get a four-prong outlet put in 220. So we're going to have it installed on this side of the wall so we can plug in and do our level 2 charging, because the 3-plug 110 just will not do it. So how we doing?
Good.
Good.
Right.
Yeah. We had to call a professional out here because this is definitely something that we were not going to attempt on our own.
Yeah, it's got to be watertight. And that's what it's going to look like on the outside. So.
Great. Clean look. I guess that's what the rest of that paint's in the garage for.
yeah, there we go.
All right, we'll take a look at this when we get finished. All right, now we're going to test her out.
I can't believe you took me seriously. It's going to blow up. In the Navy,
There we go.
in the Navy, we used to call it the smoke test.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, right.
It doesn't smoke, it's doing all right.
Awesome. We're going to have to mount for the wall. Got the plug in here.
All right, good.
Let's see how she does.
Where's the plug-in for that? Oh, it's by the driver's side door.
Yep.
Interesting.
There she goes.
Yep. Well, I gotta find some sealant for those two little holes.
Should go green. We are charging. We've parked the car on this side of the garage. Charging at 100%. Excellent. Clean installation. We can mount everything right here on the side of the wall and park over here. And we are good to go. Stay tuned for more updates on the Audi e-tron.